Hello and welcome back to Jack tutorial on how to build a computer. Today what we're doing is we're going to prepare the case. What you want to do, as I got my case here, what you want to do is you want to take both side panels off. Like so. And first thing you want to do is you want to get your power supply and install the power supply. One minute. And now you want to get 4 screws. That's like nut shaped. You want to grab your handled screwdriver, that one. This is quite difficult, 1 minute. This is quite difficult to do one hand. There we go. Now what you want to do is put the power supply in with 4 screws and screw it tight. Sorry I haven't made the other videos, I've had a lot of stuff going on. Bear with me a minute. Like so. And the other screw, I've lost the other screw in the carpet now. No I haven't, here it is. Thank you for watching, and that is how you install the power supply on your computer, and that is what it looks like on the inside. Thank you for watching.